Watching my cat jump for the ring of a bottle cap. She's jumped pretty high. This is my 5-year-old son, Hyder. This is so cute. Mashallah. Come on, get it. Get it. Princess, get it. Come on, Princess. She got it. Get it again. Back up a little, I can't see. My crazy cat. She's either busy stealing Toba or... Come on. I can't see.
You're blocking me. You're totally blocking me. Hey, oh.
Crazy kitty. I can't see Hyder. Put her down. She don't like being held like that. Woo. Stay still, stay still. Ooh. Easy. Easy, princess. Oh, lazy. Lazy. Princess, get lazy. No more jumping.
Yeah, but you get it.
Hey, what's that surf chat doing out here all alone?
Hey,
See if she'll jump some more. I think it's cute.
come on, Tiggy. Come on, Tiggy.
No, it's Princess, not Tiggy. She's a girl.
Wait, what about Bosco?
Come on, lazy. Get it. Good girl.
Hey, that's my name. That's
Hyder, pick up the bottle. Put it on the table.
Lazy.
Lazy kitty, lay it down. Oh, she got it. She snuck it right out of your hand. Let her go, let her go. Put her down. She don't like being held. Put her down. Come on, girl, get it. Who needs a dog when you got a cat like this? Mashallah.
Lazy cat. Lazy.